Good morning, all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine. Now, today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 6, Mauryan Age, Chandragupta and Emperor Ashoka. Here they have given about how the Mauryan dynasty came into existence, who was the founder of the Mauryan dynasty, and how Ashoka has run the Mauryan dynasty. That they have given in this chapter. So before we start here, how the chapter is going to start with a story, just see the first paragraph. Here they have given that it was a Sunday when all the children of the society were gathered to play the cricket. Now they were playing the cricket. So one thing was that who will do the batting and who will do the bowling. Now it was not able to decide. So they have decided to toss the coin, right? Like in the cricket, you have seen that they are trying to toss the coin. So they have decided that thing. So one of the boy has told that I will took head, and the second told I will took the tail. Now when they tossed the coin, it came head, and the boy who has chosen to head, he was given the batting first, right? Now what is the meaning of head? Head shows us the lion figure, like the lion figure, it is engraved on a huge pillar of Sarnath. Now that shows on our coin, that is head, right? At the head we see on the coin, that shows. Now this lion pillar of Sarnath is a very famous pillar. It was done at the time of Emperor Ashoka. Emperor Ashoka built this. The pillar was built by Emperor Ashoka of Mauryan dynasty, and that is recognized as our national symbol. It is recognized as our national symbol. Now here in the second topic, they have given the founder of Mauryan dynasty. Now who was the founder of the Mauryan dynasty? Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of the Mauryan dynasty. He used to play many games in his childhood. In his childhood, when he was a very small boy, he used to play many games. The games which he was playing, or the mind or the concentration, we can say, the activeness about him was been noticed by one person. The name was Acharya Vishnugupta. He noticed that he was a very active person, he was very good at skills, some of the but he trained him very nicely. Acharya Vishnugupta trained him very nicely in Shastra and Shastra, both the things, that is in the, we can say, how to run the kingdom and how to fight in the battle. At both the things he has taught him. At both the level he taught him. Chandragupta Maurya, with the help of the guidance of Chanakya, defeated the last emperor of Nanda dynasty. Now Chanakya is one of the most important person who plays an important role in this Mauryan dynasty, because Chanakya is a person who was a very good person at the politics. His mind was very sharp. In the mind of politics, we can say, like a political person, he used to play the games like a political person. Right now you know how the politics play the game. So many politics is going on. So Chanakya was having a very nice mind, a political mind he was having, and he helped Chandragupta Maurya to kill the last emperor of Nanda dynasty. Dhananand was the last person of the Nanda dynasty. In 321 BC, he took the throne of Magda and founded the Maurya Vansh. Chandragupta got full benefit of Chanakya's skill in politics and administration. See, I told you Chanakya's mind was very full of politics. He has taught him the life, how to live the life, how to administrate the kingdom, how to fight the battle with what things. So that he has taught, and with the help of that he has fight many battles, Chandragupta Maurya. Arthashastra, written by Chanakya, gives us the information about the political and economic and social life. Arthashastra is the book which was written by Chanakya, in which you will get number of things related to the political, economic and social life of the people. You can see at that time how the people were living their life and how he was very good at this thing. Chanakya's diplomatic guidance played a very important role. Diplomatic, that is, we can say, unbelievable, something different. guidance plays a very important role in Chandragupta's achievement. His guidance, his different guidance, unbelievable guidance, we can say something different from others, has played a very important role in the achievement of Chandragupta. Next, in the next paragraph, they are given that Chandragupta has captured 4 territories. First was Kabul, second was Khandar, third was Herat, and fourth was Baluchistan. Now these are the 4 territories which he has we can say conquered, or we can say he has acquired, right? After defeating the Greek kings, Seleucus Nectar, being impressed by Chandragupta's bravery, Seleucus married his daughter Helena with Chandragupta. He was very much, we can say, impressed by Chandragupta's bravery, how nicely he fought the battle. So he decided to marry his daughter Helena to Chandragupta and sent his ambassador Megasthenes to his court. At that time, the Greek person has sent his ambassador Megasthenes to the Chandragupta's court. When he stayed in Patliputra, Megasthenes wrote a book named Indica, which provides important and the basic information about the capital and the administration of Magad Empire. Now this person, that is Megasthenes, has wrote a book when he came here at Patliputra to Chandragupta's kingdom. He has written about the information about his capital, about the administration, about how he was running the kingdom. That he has written here. Chandragupta, we can say extended यानी और उन्होंने अपना किंगडम और आगे बढ़ाया, extended to और आगे बढ़ाया, स्टेट कैसे आगे बढ़ाया. He tried to establish a sovereign power, whole of the power of him, over all whole of India, by spreading his authority all over India. He wanted he should spread his power by spreading his authority also with a great diplomacy, a great, we can say, power, a great thinker like Chanakya was there with a great bravery, right? That he wanted, that he should spread his authority all over India. Chanakya in the other region of India, he ruled in north from Afghanistan, Peshawar, Khandar, Bengal in the east. He extended his power even in western India also. It is stated that in some of the sources that he had his rule even in Saurashtra also. He had appointed Pushpagupta, a Vaishya Atmiya, as its governor. उन्होंने एक आदमी को भी अपॉइंट किया. The name was Pushpagupta as his governor. Pushpagupta constructed Sudarshan Lake by constructing dams on the rivers flowing from Girnar mountain in Girnagar in Saurashtra. He has constructed one of the lake named Sudarshan Lake, which we was say the dam was constructed on the river flowing from Girnar. Konark, Karnataka, Maharashtra and other region of southern India were also the part of Mauryan dynasty. So you can see how nicely he has extended his Mauryan dynasty in the different parts of India. We can say all the 4 sides were covered with the Mauryan dynasty, right? Next he has given here that Magda Empire, that is in northwest, the territories up to western Afghanistan were also under the authority of Chandragupta. Here they have given one of the, we can say, map. See in the map you can say the pink color dot things are there, which we can say they are the things which were conquered, or we can say achieved by Chandragupta. That is the places where he has done founded, archives have been found. The things about Chandragupta we can find. Important towns in the triangle shape they are given, they are the capitals of Chandragupta. Like Takshila and Patliputra were the capital of Mauryan dynasty. Patliputra and Takshila were the capital of Mauryan dynasty. Right? So they have given this thing. Here you can see to know that ambassador and ambassador we can say like who are like our, for some of the product is there. One of the product is there, he is the ambassador of that thing. कुछ प्रोडक्ट ऐसा होता है तो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना उसकी टीवी एडवर्टाइज में इसके एम्बेसडर बनाया है. लाइक इफ सपोज वन ब्रांडेड क्लोथ वी कैन से देन इट इज़ द, वी कैन से अमिताभ बच्चन इज द एम्बेसडर ऑफ दिस ब्रांडेड क्लोथ कंपनी. सो दैट इज द थिंग, एम्बेसडर इज व्हाट. हियर यू कैन सी Chandragupta Maurya was born around 340 BC in Patna, now in Bihar state of India. right? The young man came to attention of a famous Brahmin scholar, Chanakya, who broke a grudge against the Nanda. Now he came into the notice of Chanakya. Chanakya also noticed him. Chanakya looked at him, his activeness, his powerness, and guided him, trained him very nicely so that he can fight many battles and can bring the Mauryan dynasty spread all over whole of the India, and made him fight against the Nanda dynasty, right? After the death of Dhanananda, the Nanda empire was acquired by Chandragupta Maurya. Conquer यानी उन्होंने capture कर लिया. Understood? So this is what they have given here up to these 2 pages. In the next topic, in the next session, we will learn about how after Chandragupta's death, or we can say how he has constructed the roads and what other things he has done. After him, his son, that is Bindusara, came on the throne, and what was going on. And after Bindusara, his son Ashoka came on the throne. Throne यानी उस chair पे बैठना. That is after first was Chandragupta, who was the founder of, we can say, Mauryan dynasty, who was sitting on the chair. After his death, his son Bindusara came on the throne, or he sat on the chair, and after him, his son, that is Emperor Ashoka, came on the throne, that is he sat on the chair. So this is how the Mauryan dynasty was being founded by Chandragupta Maurya with the help of a great person, Chanakya. Understood? Till then, bye all of you and take care.